Did you stand there all alone? Oh, I cannot explain what's going down. I can see you standing next to me, in and out, somewhere else right now. You sigh, look away. I can see it clear as day. Close your eyes, so afraid. Hide behind that baby face. Do 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 do. You can drive all night, looking for the answers in the pouring rain. You wanna find peace of mind, looking for the answers. Funny how it seems like yesterday, as I recall, you were looking out of place, gathered up your things and slipped away. No time at all, I followed you into the hall. Cigarette, daydream. You were only 17, so sweet with the mean streak. Nearly brought me to my knees. You can drive all night. can drive all night, looking for the answers in the pouring rain. Wanna find peace of mind, looking for the answer. We can find a reason to change. Looking for the answer. If you can find a reason to stay. Standing in the pouring rain. Years together, growing older every day. I feel at home when I'm around you, and I'll gladly say again, I hope the encore lasts forever. Now there's time for us to spare, and it's sublime with you, my friend. This right here still feels like the honeymoon. When you say my name, nothing's changed. I'm still a boy inside my thoughts. Am I meant to understand my faults? I don't think so. I don't think I'm meant to understand myself. Maybe you do, and that's good for you. Maybe in time, maybe one day I'll do the same. I'll do the same. I'll do the same. I'll do the same. I'll do the same as you, I'll try and hold it up. Soon I hope, or as soon as I'm old enough. Old enough to understand. Old enough to
Stay forever. You know more than anyone. Yeah. Whoa. And it's you that knows my darkness, and you know my bedroom needs. You could blast me in my secrets, but there's probably just no need.